So guys, na-jack up na natin sasabi ng kalampag ni bossing pagka sa tuwing nagda-drive siya, basta wala tayong napansin, no? Kahit anong tawag nito, bushing, whatever, wala tayong nakitaan na worn bushing. And then yung kanyang wheel bearing is wala rin tayong marinig na play, whatever. And then yung kanyang suspension including the spring, ayos pa naman, buo pa. At saka yung kanyang shocks, wala pang oil, no? Puro no oil leaking. So super wala tayong makikita. And then double check na lang natin yung kanyang torque, no? Ito-torque natin lahat ng mga wheels. So wheel torque tayo, just in case. So torque natin ito yung mga Honda Civic 19 millimeters. Ito 19 tip socket, so gagamit tayo ng 19 millimeter dito. This is 19, yeah, this is 19. So obviously we're gonna retorque the wheels, and then ito yung torque bar natin. So naka-set up na ito ng 130 guys, 130. So that is 0. So tatapat niyan is 130 ang kasunod niya. Okay, so like yeah, so i-retorque natin 130 Newton meter. Okay, pagka natapat siya ng 130 sit up, ano pagkatutunog, that's it. Huwag ninyo nang pa-sobrahan dahil baka ma-overtorque siya and then ma-damage yung kanyang thread, no? Okay. So since wala tayong nakitaan na tawag nito tunog ang kanyang mga bushings o bearings o whatever, we'll torque na lang natin just in case. Okay, sa mga pag wheel torque guys, mayroon tinatawag kasi na beading process, no? Like you have to retorque wheel bolts or wheel nuts like 3 months after, 3 weeks after, kasi yun tinatawag na beading process. So obviously you have to retorque once you remove the wheels, like after 24 hours you have to retorque. Ewan ko sa inyo, but for me I'm doing removing the wheels after 24 hours retorque. Obviously paano nyo 6 weeks or 3 weeks, 3 to 6 weeks retorque para to break down the beading process of torques. Okay, nagawa natin to dahil wala tayong nakita na tunog, no? So that's it guys, 130 Newton meter. Service natin to. So obviously this is like 4 liters capacity engine oil, and that's it.